got very interesting topic. Our today's topic name is actually, guys, our mom, our sister also facing lots of problem regarding the society. Means woman empowerment also the big problem of our
Each and
India.
every person follow Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and always give respect to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Shivaji Maharaj,
And
but nobody follow the what Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj did. You know that at the time of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was respect to every woman and said that every woman is like my mother and sister. But firstly, clap for yourself, guys. Actually, you know that today we came back again. You know that today we got very interesting topic. Our today's topic name is actually, guys, nobody want to talk about that topic because of that means you know that today means everyone think that suppose if I do for that means no one take action on that only because of that means today there is no any awareness in our society. But you know that, guys, our mom, our sister also facing lots of problem regarding the society. Means woman empowerment also the big problem of our India. You know that today's our India's youth also facing the problem of unemployment like that. There are lots of problems in our society, but nobody want to talk about that problem. That's why today we came here to talk about that topic. So who is ready for talk about that topic? Okay, big applause for Akansha.
so hello guys, good morning. I am Akanksha in front of you. Today I am talking about social awareness. So guys, in social awareness there are lots of examples. Example is available, but I would like to tell the power of unity. The example of power of unity. So guys, suppose one person who works good for our country, for our society, for our India, but no one support to that person, and other person told that yeah, that person is mad. Why that person doing this work? There is no need for doing that. That's like they told. It means they didn't that person they didn't show the power of unity. Means they are very selfish, I think. That's why they didn't show their power. And second example is woman empowerment. So guys, you all might be know about in Maharashtra or in India, each and every person follow Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and always give respect to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. And I see most of the people follow Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and they behave like they look like a Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, like a tika and like clothes, like that things. But that person can't behave like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, because guys, you know, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj always give respect to women and they treat every woman like his mother or sister, like that. But nowadays no one give respect to woman. They directly blame, means whatever works woman did, they directly started blame to that woman, to that girl, like that. So that's all about opinion about my social awareness. So thank you so much for hearing.
Big applause for Akansha. You know that Akansha said that means you know that today every boy think that I am as like a Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, but nobody follow the what Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj did. You know that at the time of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was respect to every woman and said that every woman is like my mother and sister. But nobody think like that. We should follow Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj thinking. That's all about Akansha. Next, I would like to call Jayashree. Big applause for Jayashree.
So hello friends, it's me Jayashree. Today we all are gathered here to play GD and our GD topic is social awareness. So friends, nowadays there are many things including in social awareness like equality, respect, human behavior, and human behavior play important role in society. Nowadays no one have time to help each another. No one give respect elders and elders. So it is very bad thing and starting for us, because many people's their behavior like selfish. Starting for us, we should give respect our parents also and our elders also. And many people don't give respect their parents, and increasing old age home one of the major reason. And so another reason, our teachers, student no one student give respect their teachers also. And teacher is very important in our life because they teach valuable lesson for our life. And another is culture. Many people celebrate festivals alone. No one celebrate each and others these festivals. If we give respect our parents, our elders, they gives us blessing and wishes.
Gunjan sister. Big applause for Gunjan sister.
So, hello everyone, good morning. It's me Gunjan in front of you. I am talking about the social awareness. First, I would like to talk about the human rights. And means our one vote decide our government and future of our India. So, but nowadays some people are take the fund from government for giving a vote. But we don't do that kind of things. Means we do not sell our one vote because it's our right. So we should do that. And second one, I would like to tell about the equality. We all are only tell about the equality. Means boys and girls are equal. But also we create the difference between boys and girls. And नहीं बोलायचं. But and nowadays means people create a difference between boys and girls, like regarding to the freedom and education, like that things. And third one is poverty. Our day by day our India's population are increasing.